take your basketball games to the next level in this innovative design from PUMA. This all-new look has a very lightweight upper made with engineered knit textile using a seamless multi-zone construction, keeping it very breathable with lightweight support. It also uses the power tape targeted reinforcement across the top, adding even more strength and stability when you're in the heat of the game, making sure this lasts when you're constantly moving and jumping. Inside, it's got extra padding around the collar, especially in the heel zone to keep it locked down. And the laces across the front are traditional with a little sock-like loop to hold them and keep them snug right behind it so they stay snag-free. And it even has elasticity to adapt to your foot shape. Inside, that thick padding gives it even more cushioning, especially in the heel zone, while the foam footbed underneath gives you extra comfort, sitting on top of a unique midsole. It has the nitro foam design that's infused with a bit of the PUMA's hoop tech, giving it superior responsiveness and comfort while still staying lightweight. It has high energy return, giving you even better plays, while it's supported underneath with an Energy Pro plate design. It acts as a lever for maximum energy return, and it also has plenty of flex with the full coverage non-slip rubber compound underneath, enhancing your grip and your traction for all court surfaces.